In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find game room ideas in Houzz. We're going to use Houzz to quickly collect fresh, practical inspiration specifically for game rooms. Start by opening your browser and heading to houzz.com. The process works best on a desktop because you can see more options at once, but the flow is similar on mobile. Once the site loads, look along the top navigation bar, hover your mouse over the Ideas section in the main menu. This opens a drop-down with different ways to explore photos and design inspiration. You're aiming to get to the broader photo gallery where rooms are organized by type. In that menu or on the Photos page, you land on Locate the Rooms area and look for the option labeled More Rooms. This expands a long list of specialized spaces. From that list, choose Game Room. As soon as you click, Houzz filters the gallery to show only game room designs, so everything you see from here on out is relevant to that space. At the top of the gallery, you'll see filters that help you narrow results. Use these if you have a specific style, size, color scheme, or location in mind. For example, pick a design style like contemporary or farmhouse, limit results to certain room sizes, or refine by color to match furniture you already own. You can also adjust sorting to see the most popular or the newest photos first. Don't be afraid to try a few combinations. You can always clear a filter and broaden the results again. Now browse the grid of images. Take your time and scan for layouts and details that match your needs, whether that's a pool table centered under a pendant light, a console gaming setup with acoustic panels, or a multifunction space with a snack bar. If a thumbnail catches your eye, click it to open the full view. Inside the photo view, you'll see a larger image along with project information. Look for descriptions, credits, and product tags that sometimes identify paint colors, lighting, or furniture used. Use the arrows to jump to the next or previous idea without going back to the grid, which makes it easy to compare options quickly. When you find something you love, you can save or share it right from the photo. Use the save button to add it to an idea book so you can reference it later. You may be prompted to sign in to keep your collection. If you want to collaborate, use the share options to send a link to a friend, contractor, or designer. That's it. By heading to Houzz, hovering over ideas, opening more rooms, selecting game room, applying filters, browsing, and then viewing, saving, or sharing your favorites, you'll build a focused, actionable vision for your game room.